Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage social engineering risks with KnowBe4 detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what social engineering is and its implications for your organization. Recognize that social engineering involves manipulating individuals into revealing confidential information. Identify different types of social engineering attacks, such as phishing, pretexting, baiting, and tailgating. Assess the current security posture of your organization by identifying vulnerabilities and potential risks related to human behavior. Educate employees about the importance of cybersecurity awareness and the tactics used by social engineers. Introduce KnowBe4 as a key resource for training and awareness programs. Sign up for a KnowBe4 account to access their extensive library of training modules. Select training courses tailored to your organization's specific needs and risks. Implement a regular training schedule to keep all employees informed about evolving threats. Use KnowBe4's phishing simulation tools to test employee responses to real-world scenarios. Analyze the results of the phishing simulations to identify areas where employees may need additional training. Create a culture of security by encouraging open discussions about potential threats and sharing best practices. Establish clear protocols for reporting suspicious activities within your organization. Monitor and evaluate the effectiveness of your training and awareness programs regularly. Consider revising your training content based on the latest threats and tactics used by cyber criminals. Incorporate user-friendly tools and resources from KnowBe4 to reinforce ongoing employee education. Document all training activities and assessment results to demonstrate compliance and effectiveness. Engage management and leadership in supporting cybersecurity initiatives to highlight their importance. Ensure that all employees understand their role in protecting the organization from social engineering attacks. Continually refine your social engineering risk management strategy based on feedback and new insights. By following these steps, organizations can significantly reduce their vulnerability to social engineering attacks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.